Your 20 are not for showing off. They are for building a future most people will never have. If you get these financial goals right now, your 30 will be stress-free. Goal 1. Learn how money works. Understand income, expenses, savings, and investing. Money is a skill, not luck. Goal 2. Track every expense. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll never control it. Goal 3. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This protects you from life surprises. Goal 4. Save before spending. Pay yourself first. Even small savings matter. Goal 5. Start investing early. Time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you start, the richer you grow. Goal 6. Avoid bad debt. Credit card debt keeps you poor. Use debt only to grow, not to impress. Goal 7. Increase your income. Focus on skills that pay more. Your salary matters more than motivation. Goal 8. Build multiple income streams. Never depend on one source. One job is too risky. Goal 9. Improve your skills. Skills make you valuable. Value creates money. Goal 10. Live below your means. Rich people stay rich by controlling lifestyle. Don't upgrade life too fast. Goal 11. Learn basic investing rules. Risk, return, patience, and discipline. No shortcuts. Goal 12. Plan long-term goals. Think about home, business, and freedom. Short-term pleasure destroys long-term success. Goal 13. Protect your money. Get basic insurance. One accident can destroy years of work. Goal 14. Build a strong network. Your circle affects your income. Stay around growth-minded people. Goal 15. Think long-term, not overnight. Wealth is built slowly. Consistency always wins. Start these goals in your 20, and your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more financial motivation.